In the year 2017, DJT Retailers Private Limited began its journey with a vision to provide quality products at affordable prices to our customers under the brand name Derica. Our business is divided into 4 divisions. All Derica Hypermart stores have a trading area between 30,000 to 50,000 square feet. We offer a variety of general merchandise like utensils, crockery, etc., basic fashion items for all segments and seasons, along with a wide range of personal care products. Our store offers fresh produce and grocery to cater to all daily needs, just like you would find at your local mandi. We give a base discount of 6% on all SKUs across our store. Also, Derica passes all suppliers' promotions to the consumers, which results in discounts ranging between 30% to 40% on an average bill. This has resulted in over 20,000 customer walk-ins across all socio-economic sections and will continue to help the brand attract more customers. Our hypermart is in a densely populated catchment with very limited commercial space, which ensures no competition in the foreseeable future. Apart from having top brands under FMCG and fashion, we are also introducing more than 100 products under our private label to boost the business, establish brand credibility and build brand equity. Derica Wholesale focuses on both B2C and B2B models, where Derica delivers products directly to Kirana stores within 24 hours of the order being placed on our B2B mobile app. Apart from Kirana stores, we also cater to hotels, restaurants and caterers in and around Delhi and NCR for their food and grocery needs. We already have a B2B customer base of 12,000 plus Kiranas across Delhi NCR, out of which we serve 800 plus Kiranas through our own Derica mobile app. Through Derica eCom, we aim to reach the customers throughout the nation by leveraging the reach of e-commerce players like Flipkart, Amazon, etc. This will help Derica private label products, which range from food items like cereals, pasta, etc., to home care products like dishwash, wipes, etc., establish their presence throughout the country. Under BVM Traders, we are consolidating product supply chain from manufacturers to end consumers through sharp pricing to institutions and organizations across the country such as IRCTC, Kendriya Bhandar, Udaan, etc. With every milestone, Derica is getting one step closer to fulfilling its vision of establishing its foothold in Delhi NCR, with a focus to grow across India and touch as many lives as possible.